Anger management and ADHD kids. Dealing with ADHD children who have anger problems is challenging and requires thought and imagination. An ADHD child's mind is as a rule not developed sufficiently enough to deal with intense feelings such as anger. ADHD children are not equipped to clarify their feelings. In order to create anger management programs that will help children, the individual needs to recognize how an ADHD child's mind works, as well as what interests them, and use this knowledge to develop an effective anger management program for ADHD children. ADHD children are familiar with worksheets, coloring pages and puzzles. These kind of activities are used every day in the school setting, so incorporating anger management lessons into these activities makes sense. These worksheets can be made fun and interesting. These worksheets can teach techniques and strategies for controlling anger in such a way that ADHD children will comprehend and react to. Using well-known situations in coloring pages or related words in puzzles may help an ADHD child to deal with anger issues without making the situation complicated. ADHD children love playing games. In addition to using worksheets, it might be helpful to include games into a children's anger management program. Designing activities that include role-playing may help ADHD children to realize that they cannot always be the center of attention. Anger management for ADHD children can be taught in all sorts of ways that will be both productive as well as enjoyable. Listing different possibilities for their anger and having them read over them to see which statements apply to them might be beneficial in treating kids with anger issues. Simple sentences, using everyday dilemmas that a child may encounter, could be used in these anger management worksheets. ADHD children may not even realize the reason for these worksheets, yet they may be providing relevant information that can help in treatment of the problem.